run for cover, motherfucker. Misdemeanor on the floor, pretty boy, here I come. Pumps in the bump, make you wanna hurt something. I can take your man, I don't have to sex some. Hey, 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 what's happening? Hypnotic in my drink, that's right. Shake your ass till it stink, that's right. Mr. Mo's on the beat, that's right. Put it down for the street, that's right.
We gotta fit today. We gotta fit. We gotta fit. Ooh, look at the glasses that match this shirt. And I wanted to wear this shirt because I feel like it's very fitting for today's doll. We got the little chain on. Ooh, we're looking good today. Is this goofy? Or is it camp? Let's just take these shits off. Hello everybody, my name is Aqua Elixir, or at least my Twitter handle is, and welcome back to the channel. I have been dying to do this video. Y'all do not know how bad I've been meaning to make this video. However, we've had so much shit to review and do and film, but today's the day. And I'm so excited. Today's video is our first look at Series 3 for the Bratz reproductions. Yeah. This has to be the best reproduction line that we've gotten so far. Like, the first editions were great, they were cute, a nice reintroduction, allowed them to reintroduce themselves. Series 2 was cute in the moment, but it kind of like dulled itself over time, in my opinion. Series 3 hits the spot. It really just gives me that buzz.
I love it, and it gives me that buzz. It feeds exactly what I want to do.
Yeah. Series 3 honestly seemed like it was going to be that bitch as soon as we got in the head leaks for Campfire Felicia. We're getting her too. She's on the way. She's arriving any day now, I think. Dana, Tiana, and Fiona round out the rest of the line, and they are pretty iconic too. I love like the lines that they pulled these dolls from, because I was very worried for Dana. I thought that she was gonna get pulled from Style It, and I hate Style It, so I'm glad that that was not the case. And then with Fiona, I mean, honestly, if you're doing a reproduction, the only one to do is Funk Out Fiona. Now, I already have Funk Out Fiona. I got her from a YouTuber on here, and yeah, she is the moment. I love her. I'm obsessed with her big forehead. Even though she got the forehead reduction, and she does look really pretty, I don't know, like, yes, it's giving Fiona, but in ways it's not. This is Fiona right here. I love this Fiona, and I love this outfit, the original outfit. The other one is it's too purple. Why are you so purple? She is such a cutie, and this is an iconic look. I mean, they use this look all the fucking time for a background character in the Bratz TV show. And on top of that, in like the Forever Diamonds movie, whoever, I forget her name, was it Tiffany? The girl who stole all this stuff from the Bratz, even though they didn't. And then her only line that she said was like, "Please, you don't know what you're doing. Please, I'm innocent, please."
No, I didn't. I would never. You guys, this can't be happening.
But yeah, we love this Fiona so damn much. So I don't think that I'm gonna get that one. We also got Kobe in this line, which I love me a good Bratz boy. Kobe though, 9 times out of 10, I'm not really vibing with him. I feel like I want to get him and like trick him out and make him look all like cutesy instead of nerdy, but we will see about a sale for him. I will say right now, his artwork, I feel like I'm the only one eating up the fact that they went back to the 2002 boy artwork instead of like the more updated 2003, 2004 boy artwork. I don't know, there's just something, especially the way that they did Kobe. He looks so cute in this art style. I don't know. Y'all just don't get it. Y'all don't get the vibe. But today, yeah, you know what time it is. That's why we're wearing Playboy. I mean, Vegas, Playboy. Like, do you get the correlation? We got Ms. Tiana, and it has been a tumultuous journey with this bitch, let me just say. To put it in pop terms, Tiana was topping the chart with her new hit single, her new face. And she is headlining the summer's iconic Primechella Amazonapalooza Festival of July 2023. And unfortunately, she had a little bit of a mishap when she got to the festival grounds because she forgot all the words to her single, her new face. And translating that into normal people terms, basically I got her in and I looked at her face and I'm like, you are stunning, you are gorgeous. And then wait, we noticed that the lip, and I am so goddamn insane for this, but the lip is misprinted a little bit. I don't know if there's gonna be any pictures to show because it's really hard to capture on camera, but basically with the Bratz lip, the mold itself has like the creases indented, and on one side of her lip it's fine, like it's perfectly aligned, but then on the other side the paint job for the lip is up here and the crease is down here. And with that being up here, that means that the rest of the lip at the bottom is lifted, so the paint is not aligned with the mold. It is very devastating and distracting a little bit. But I honestly didn't know it until like I was right about to open her up and I was like, what is that? And I honestly was gonna return her. Like, I literally went through the process of returning her and I was like, you know what? We're gonna keep her. As soon as I tried to order the return, it said that it wasn't gonna come until August. And I mean, shit, she's been in box and it's the end of July now, so I honestly could have waited, but I wasn't trying to wait. I wanted to have her in my hands. I wanted to at least look at her and feel her energy while we waited for my other videos to go through so that we can now unbox her. And I'm happy that I kept her because she is still gorgeous and stunning. Literally, it was just the lip that was wrong. Everything else is gorgeous. So let's go through her box. First off, we have her name and her new logo, her new nickname sigil. I love it. Then the box is the same as all the other reproduction series, the classic Bratz box. And I love this red free poster. And then look at that artwork. Oh my god. Wow, yeah. And then here is the back of the box. So it says Bratz, and then we have her nickname, and it says, hey, my name is Tiana, but my friends call me Hot Sauce because my moves are fire on the dance floor. Which, honestly, this nickname is very fitting for her, for this particular doll especially. But wasn't her nickname Elegant Elephant? Yeah, no, we like Hot Sauce better. This shit is the moment. It says that she comes with one hairbrush, a pair of earrings, 2 pairs of snap-on shoes, fashion coat, 2 tops, 2 fashion bottoms, 1 sunglasses. And then we have the rest of the Bratz pack. And they honestly got really good with the artwork. I hated the series 2 poster because the artwork just seemed very one note. I don't know, everybody looked the same except for Megan because obviously her artwork was just copied and pasted, but everybody else's was brand new of some sort and or like re-updated to fit in with that look that they were going for, and it just wasn't it. I don't know, everybody looked the same in the face, and I feel like this time around, like, it looks a lot better in the artwork department, and I'm really happy about that. All right, let's get into this poster. I'm so excited. Yeah, like, this poster is giving, you're going on my wall. You're going on my wall. So we have the girls. Is this? I want to say the first 2 series. I could be wrong, and I don't feel like taking out a series 2 poster. But I want to say the first 2 series have like a nice holographic shine on them. And this one doesn't. That's very interesting. It has the Bratz logo on it. And we have our 4 girls right there. Fiona, Tiana, Dana, and Felicia. Too many names ending with an A. And then obviously the girls with the passion for fashion. Yeah, this eats. Oh my god, Felicia looks so good. Dana, I love Dana in the fucking glow look. And especially in that pose. And I love that they updated her hair. She looks so good. And then Fiona, I mean, we love the skin tone change. Yeah. Tiana looks good too, of course. Now, what am I supposed to do with this, huh? What am I supposed to do with this?
What the fuck am I supposed to do with this? Tell me. What am I supposed to do with this? What am I supposed to do with this?
Now let's get into our girl. The fact that I'm holding a Tiana in my hands is crazy. I have been looking for this doll for a very long time because I love the Welcome to Fabulous line. I mean, I live in the city that the line is in, so I have really been wanting the Welcome to Fabulous girls, but they're very expensive, especially Tiana, and it pisses me off. I'm like, bitch, I live there. Give me a complimentary one. Give me one for a good deal at least. And I'm honestly really happy that I waited for the Repro because the old face. Girl, you heard of the slay button. Bitch, hit the nay button. It just doesn't do it. It really doesn't do it. Yeah. Before this face, before I even realized that the prototype was a thing, I thought that she served. I thought that she was cute. But after seeing what the prototype was giving, oh yeah, no, we're forever pissed that she didn't originally come that way. I want to know why we had a screening update. I want to know why the screening changed to, like, from the prototype to the final product, because it doesn't make any sense. I'm confused. But regardless, I'm happy that now we have a Tiana that has the original face, because this is cunt. I really want to cut the bangs. I really do. But I'm not that great. I'm not that great at doing doll hair. I'm not like a doll hair connoisseur. I worry that I'm gonna do it and it's either gonna be uneven or it's just gonna get fucked. And I don't want that. So we might not. Cause I really do want to give her original bang, because it had like the little like V movement going on. So I want to give her that. But the face is gorge. She has a purple lid, which y'all can't see, and brown eyes. Yeah, with the bangs in the way, her face looks so weird to me. It really does. She's just like, she looks faded. But when the eyebrows kick in, it's on God, it's on point. Now, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the lip issue oh, actually you can, I think. To me, I see it on the camera, because you see the crease right there, and then the end of the lip ends up right there. And then the bottom of the mold, yeah, clock that T. She comes with earrings. These reproductions come with fucking earrings. Thank you, MGA. Her hair is done up in a very quintessential Bratz hairstyle, I feel. Because we have like all of her hair mainly in a ponytail, and then we have like the top row of this part line, and that is like wrapped up, and then it's fastened with a hair tie elastic, and then that is wrapped up to create this, and then goes into the ponytail. It's a little complicated, but it also sounds easy. This fur coat is everything. It is so big, it is so beautiful and bold. Yeah, it's like black and white. I don't know why, in the camera to me it's looking brown, a little bit like brown and white, but it's black and white. Ooh, so we have a thread and it's loose right here, so we're not gonna mind that. But we have this cute halter top. Is it glittery? Oh, it's glittery. And it's black. The straps have these kind of like, it's either like a dotted pattern or like fake studs or something. And then these really thick cable fringe. very thick, but, and then lift that up and then you can't really see the shirt. For her pants, my belt kind of came fucked. You see that? You see this shit? I don't know why it won't go back into place. So yeah, it's a little messed up, but we have her belt that is attached onto the pants. Yeah, it's not really giving like any design. It's just a whole bunch of like studs on the inside. And the belt is very reminiscent of Forever Diamonds. But I mean, this belt came with the original, so her pants did change a little bit just in color because they are a pink. They're kind of like a reddish pink, but the original ones were red. I don't know why they changed this. That's a little weird. Like, they really could have just made this go fully red, but whatever. But it has this cutesy scale looking pattern on it in this metallic going all the way down. And I'm a little pissed. This one shoe was good, but this shoe is falling off. It's already fell off like 3 times. It looks loose. You see that, right? But she has like a really cute classic Bratz strappy shoe mold. Yeah, but it's very loose. Okay, now it just she just snapped back in place. But I swear it is very loose. Okay, here is her second outfit. Very, very happy that she comes with the additional accessory. All of the girls have some sort of additional accessory, I think, except for Felicia. She might come with the least. But yeah, her glasses are this very vibrant red. I think they're pretty cute. We're gonna put them on top though. Looks a lot better that way. A bit crooked. Now, this top is making me regret not returning her. It's like, it's the top, it's the lip, it's the loose shoe, it's the belt. Little nitpicky things, but yeah, this top, are other people's tops doing this too? It's really fucking tight. What is it with the Bratz clothing and it's either too big? Anyways, yeah, the top is so tight. Like, I was struggling to get this shit on, and as you can see, the Velcro isn't fully on it. Like, what is going on, MGA? The quality control is insane, but the straps are very much the same as her first top, and the shirt is very cute. It has a little V cut, and it also has like glitter red stripes going around it. I love the shape of the top, but again, why is it so tight? For her skirt, I've been hearing a lot of people say that the original one is a lot shorter, which makes me a little sad because we love a little short, tiny skirt. But this one's cute. It's a little thick. It is definitely a little thick, but I think that it's nice. It's pleated, kind of, and the belt is very true to the original. And then the boots are just a classic, beautiful black Brat boot. I love this mold. You can never go wrong with this mold. This is very universal. It's very, I was gonna say eclectic. Is that the right word that I'm looking for? Definitely not. I'm just really, really happy that they decided to reproduce Welcome to Fabulous Tiana, because that is probably my favorite Tiana. Potentially tied with Tokyo A Go-Go Tiana, because that one also slays. But this one just, she hits the spot. She's so gorgeous. And I'm happy that they reproduced her correctly with the prototype screening, the prettier screening. It just gives, it eats. She's amazing. Like, when I heard that we were getting a Tiana doll, I was a little worried. I thought that they were gonna either do Tokyo A Go-Go or... No, I think that it was just Tokyo A Go-Go that I think that they were gonna do. But I didn't know like what the second outfit was gonna be. So then I was thinking, I'm like, well, hopefully they do Welcome to Fabulous Tiana, because that would be insane. I've been wanting her for a long time. And now we have her. Yeah. And honestly, she's one of the Series 3 dolls that I have the least amount of qualms with, just because they gave her all of the important accessories. Sure, she came with some like Vegas exclusive accessories, like the keychain, which would have been cute, but of course they're not going to reproduce that. And then the others was, what, makeup accessories? Jewelry? I don't care. I don't really care about that kind of accessory stuff. She came with her little sunglasses. She came with her coat. And then both outfits are, like, everything's important here. So I'm fine with that. It would have been a little annoying if, like, she didn't come with the belt, or even this one too. Like, they just cut around corners on those details, but they didn't. So I'm very happy with that compared to some other dolls, but we can get into that in another video. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I am very, very happy with Series 3. The repros just look so gorgeous. We have Felicia again coming on the way, so you will get that video soon. And even though we still have a lot of Series 3 ground to cover, I'm looking towards Series 4. I'm curious, what do you guys think Series 4 repros are gonna look like if that ever happens? Because I'm thinking, and I think a lot of people are on this train too, we need to see the passion for fashion girls. Maybe not all of them. Maybe not all of them. I could see them doing like Sheridan. I could. But I want to see Kina. I need her, bring her the fuck out. MGA, I know you know that the fans want Kina back. Give us Kina, please. Give us Dresden. I know you know. I know y'all see it. Y'all MGA headquarters people, y'all can't be dumb. I know y'all see it on the secondhand market. When there ever is a listing for them, they are too expensive. We want her. Give us Dresden. Yeah, I said it. We need the passion for fashion girls with nylon hair instead of poly, because that was a sin. But yeah, definitely let me know if there was a Series 4. Who would y'all cast? Kind of like a TV show. Who are we casting? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up for me. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe too, because again, there's a lot of content to come. If y'all want to see Felicia, subscribe, hit the bell, or do whatever. I don't know. And comment, yes. Again, who are you looking forward to for Series 4? Who is your favorite from Series 3? Let me know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.